Hello, this is Jorge Grafton with Incana Arborist. Today we're going to be working on this tree here. We've been caring for this tree for a while now, and it seems to be doing really good. We installed some rods in here because of this big crack. So we're trying to save the tree and keep it together. I don't know if you can see the rod there in the middle is going through. So we have two rods in here, and we also have a cable installed out there. So the purpose of today's work is, now that we installed the rods about 1.5 years ago and the cable, now we're going to go ahead and reduce some of the weight a little bit more. We did some reduction at the beginning, but we only took about 25%. Now we're going to take another 25% to reduce the top of the tree to prevent wind damage and overextension here of the tree. We're trying to prevent from cracking more, and yeah, we'll get started. All right, so now we are ready to ascend the tree. We're gonna ascend the tree using a single rope system. We're using this system because we don't want to use spikes, because we're caring for the tree. If we're gonna remove the tree, we'll use spikes, but in this case we're caring for the tree, so we're using these foot ascenders to scale the tree, get to the top, and remove some of the top weight. So the method to do that is, you got your knee ascender and your foot ascender. You just climb up like a ladder. Thank you.